All right, we're back. Got a new item here. Boss man decided he did not care for the worm drive style saw. Here, hold up for a second, boss man. Let's do a little on-site unboxing real quick. Take a look at this little beastie. This was they had a 4th of July sale going on. Buy some batteries, get a free tool. Then after the 4th of July, they went to clearance and got another $30 off. So this was extraordinarily affordable. Let's look how the packing was done. They got some extra there. You got a blade on the side. Let's pull that blade out first. Get that out of the way. That's not a toy saw, that's for sure. It's fairly substantial. Thick aluminum plate. Oh, that's nice. It's got detents. Just slight detents. Pretty smooth. What do we got? There should be a... Where the hell's the...
Blade lock?
No, the depth gauge. How do you unlock it? What's that? Oh, no. Well, that's kind of weird. Oh, it's over here. Oh, that's cool. They stuck it clear out there. Back up a little bit. You're like filming like...
No.
So it's clear out there. I was looking, like normally they're still in here. They're clear in there and they're hard to find. So my first impression is... Pretty good sight line from the left. Obviously, you got good from the right. That's unimpressive. That does not inspire confidence. That's kind of... But, I mean, it's just a guard, so I guess as long as it holds up. That is very thin plastic, very rickety. That's cool. Hook. I can hold it straight up for a second. It's pretty heavy, actually. All right, so for comparison, this is what I'm running. I'm a Tabo worm drive style. Man, you got to back up just a little tiny bit. Like, there you go. So we pop the battery out. I can't hold stuff out like I used to, but that might actually be heavier. They're really close in weight. But Boss Man's not familiar with this style saw and he doesn't like running it. So the saw he has to run is this little guy, but it's a left-handed. And he doesn't run, actually no, that's right-handed.
It's right-handed.
This was a left-handed saw. Oh, I guess the worm drives are left-handed.
Yeah.
But this is kind of a itty-bitty saw. You know, it's one of those, what, 6 1/4 or whatever? Little tiny blades. I'm trying to see what it says here. Yes, no, 6.5 inch blade. So it's like, it works, but it's not a full-size saw. So yeah, I don't know what this thing's got for features. I don't see a light or anything. Oh, maybe it does have a light right there.
Just stick a battery in it and pop it.
Do you have a battery?
Right over there.
Oh, please. I think it might actually have batteries or a light. That'd be kind of cool. That's the one thing that that big Metabo doesn't have is a light, which seems like a bit of an omission.
Ooh,
Oh yeah, it's got a light. Got a brake. Not very loud. The vacuum port thing, whatever. I guess if you're into that. It's a pretty decent light. Yeah, it lights up the area pretty good. I mean, just a quick unboxing. That's more the style of what Boss Man's used to. He doesn't like these things. I don't know what to do about that. It has it. And that's, you have to have a safety on an electric tool, otherwise it can fire off in the... So there you go, unboxing. I don't know if there's a serial number on this thing.
Yeah, it's in the box.
I don't even know where the box went. Like on the website, it's almost impossible to find the serial number. It is a R8657B. R8657B. Yep. Claiming 35% faster, 5,400 RPM, 2 and 9/16 depth, electric brake, whatever. All right. I don't know how good of a job he was doing filming, but. So, I mean, register your tool, obviously, and I guess if you register your tool, this thing, if you break it, they should cover. I don't know. I mean, I'm assuming they've done, I mean, this isn't the first time that Ridgid's made a circular saw, so I assume that's up to the task. I assume. Although that just feels like the most cheapest crap ever. I mean.
This is kind of cool. I think we'll go 56 degrees on an angle.
See, like on this saw, like that's magnesium and that's metal. On this saw, it's plastic. Although the handle's metal. So, I mean, I don't know. Maybe they just got a whole box of these plastic covers and they just send you a new one. That's uninspiring, but I'm sure it's for weight savings, so. 6 minutes, that's probably long enough.
Okay, here's the question of the day.
Oh, we got a question of the day, hold tight.
Where was it made?
Vietnam.
Hey, damn it.
Haha, how about that? Not made in China, how about that? So we'll see, we got the big batteries. We got 4-pack of 4 amp hours that came with it. If I remember right, it was around 130 bucks, 2 4 amp hour batteries in the tool. The tool usually is like around 170. And those batteries run anywhere from 140 to, sometimes you get them in a bundle pack for a little less than 140 a battery. So that'd be like, what, like over $400 worth of crap. So that's a pretty good bargain. And yeah, we'll see what happens. 7 minutes, that's long enough. Stay safe.